Hello? Hello?
Hey. Like pointed.
Oh my god!
No!
It's like watching Terry. Dude, let us hold your jacket.
I got it.
He's gonna. One of you are gonna get caught on fire and you're gonna have to run in the ocean.
It doesn't matter to me if you don't know.
Yeah, we don't need a light. Over here.
I got it.
Alright.
Okay.
He's grounded 6 feet under.
Yeah, no, I'm not touching that shit.
905, I think.
Dude, I gotta try that. No, probably just break it.
I gave you another. Yeah.
Nope.
Is it me or is it like a red light all the way over?
Oh, it smells like burning red.
That's the ocean.
The buoy?
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, it's starting to burn out. You can tell that it's not burning.
Yeah. That was sick. I can smell it over here, you know right?
Actually, that